A nigga like me crazy like a trap house. All I got is my hands to bring me back out. A nigga like me can't back down. And niggas be beefing like a mad cow. And pimping ain't easy, so I put it down. And bitches hard turn to dark clouds. Yeah, see who your friends is when you down and out. Ain't had a lot of dreams, yeah, starting out. Only thing I wanna do was to ball out. That devil on my shoulder like a rain cloud. And hand on my dick with my balls out. When you see me shine, don't even ask how. And each one of baby catching checks now. Cause a nigga shiny wanna freak out. Pop the pussy all night, keep it wet now. Just know that I'm with it like a bad sound. If it wasn't for it, gotta blow your back out. Let's try to get rich, I need a cash house. With booty everywhere just to twerk out. And hit it all night till she tap out. People all in their feelings, man, I'm just chillin'. Try to make a living in this bitch. Try to make a million in shift. Man was born to be rich. Life can pass by in the glitch. Shorty wanna ride, she can ride this dick. And baby, I'm a superstar, first round pick. People change up right in the switch. Understand certain people don't fit. They're not ready to die or ride with this shit. A motivation, my lifestyle with the rhymes that I spit. Bringing hit after hit, gone in the glitch. Pop my collar and flip. My motivation is this, the struggle and the hustle that I live. What more do I have to give besides blood, sweat, and tears? Pedal to the metal, I'm riding first gear. Gone in the glitch, right the next year. I'ma ride out, off to the sunset, making moves like a silhouette.